This is a short video on the installation of an AES system.
Setting the horizon, just checking the string line.
Here you can see the plumbers actually shooting levels to make sure that the system is horizontal, marking it out along the level line.
Line mark paint.
Looking at the design, which shows the layout of the pipes. This is a 6-pipe system. Now he's marking out the extension area. Here you can see the excavation has begun and left scarified. And his basal area of this system is level, so he's just ripping the infiltration area. Here what this plumber does is he actually, once the excavation is done, he marks this 300mm depth of sand to make it easier for him to lay the sand to the correct depth. This is the placement of the offset adapter caps onto the AES pipe. The fabric's rolled back, including the bioaccelerator, the white fabric. The cap is pushed on with the hole at the top in line with the seam on the pipe, which ensures that the bioaccelerator is at the bottom. Again, clicked on, and then pull the fabric and bioaccelerator back over the top of the offset adapter cap. The excavator driver has placed a layer of sand. Now the plumber's raking that out to get the bed level, place the pipes. Pipes being placed ready for the couplings to be put in place.
Going to warm up too,
AES couplings. Same as the offset adapter, the fabric is rolled back. Coupling is placed on the ground and engaged in the grooves in the pipe with the ribs on the coupling. Place the pipes together and bring the top of the coupling over. Again, engage in the groove, put the tongue of the clip into the receiving slot and click it together. Roll the fabric back over, including the bioaccelerator at the base.
How they actually make it is it comes all out in one big long sausage.
Alright, okay.
And they wrap the fabric on it, all in one big continuous thing, and the pipes aren't actually cut to length until all the fabric's done. So this big, it's like a...
Oh, so the pipe and the fabric are cut at the same time?
Yep.
Ready for sand. Next stage is to put in the raised connector between the two pipes. Note the seams on the AES pipes are at the top and the holes on the offset adapters at the top. 100mm length of PVC pipe is the maximum to go inside the offset adapter caps. Now it's ready for backfilling. This plumber has some 3mm ply spacer plates. The sand is sprinkled on so that you don't force your pipes apart. And as you move along the pipes, he simply pulls the spacer plates out and moves them along as he's backfilling with the sand. Right, the raised connector is put in place. You see the plumber here is shoveling sand underneath it because we need to lift the raised connector so that the top of the 100mm PVC pipe is level with the top of the AES pipes to maximise the capacity in the pipes before overflow to the second row. Place your sand, pack it down to be sure to support the raised connector. Lift it up to make sure that it's up level with the top of the AES pipes. ready for backfill. All the sand has been placed on the pipes. In this installation, the plumbers dug the ASL area underneath the AES pipes so that the excavator doesn't need to do any driving on the basal area to ensure that we have a nice open soil structure. They then dig the extension area, and here the sand is being placed. Once the sand is being placed, the excavator driver is backfilling a bit to allow him to come along again without driving on the basal area. Now this is the inspection port is being installed in the extension area, the furthest point from the entry of the effluent into the system. And then they commence the backfilling.
Oh, okay.
This is the completed job, ready for, in this case, mulching.
Can you just walk over to the inspection port over there? Okay.